Okay, you guys, I'm here to unbox In Time on Blu-ray. This is this slipcover I got from Allie Walker. She's a YouTuber from another account of mine. It's called JW Universe. So for those of y'all who don't know that channel, that's my first channel. This is actually my 7th channel. But yeah, so I have the slip. She gave me the slipcover just because she wanted to. So we're gonna read off. Are there any special features? Let's see. Focus. D-minutes. Learn the origins of the film's time-based society. Huh. So yeah. So let's take the slipcover off. Now I actually got this at Best Buy during the upgrade and save for $5. So that's awesome. And it's got the slipcover to match. So yeah. It's rated PG-13. It's made by Fox and Regency. It is an hour and 49 minutes. This was the first movie I seen on my very first date back in 2011. Don't tell my lady that. But yeah, let's open this up. Luckily, I got some scissors here. Oh crap, there's a security sticker. I didn't even notice the security sticker on there. Okay. Here is the digital copy, which is probably expired. In Time, the game. Let's check that out if it still works. Here's the Blu-ray and the DVD digital copy, the combo pack. So yeah, that was my somewhat quick unboxing of In Time on Blu-ray. Let me know what you think about this, and I'll catch y'all later.